Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to adjust brightness on your Windows PC quickly and easily. So let's get started. So method 1, adjust brightness from quick settings. Click on the network, sound or battery icon in the bottom right. Now drag the slider to increase or decrease the brightness. Another method is press Windows plus I to open settings. Then click on system and go to display. From here you can adjust the brightness, increase or decrease. Another easiest method is from keyboard shortcut. If look for key with the sun icon on your keyboard, usually they are F4 for decrease the brightness and F5 for increase the brightness. That's it. That's how you adjust brightness on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech tricks. Thanks for watching.